Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Amber here, and today I'm so excited to help you save some serious cash on your next cruise. I mean, who doesn't love a great vacation, especially when you get to cruise the stunning seas without breaking the bank? Let's dive in with some awesome budgeting tips and tricks. All right, let's get started with the first tip, choosing the right time to book your cruise. Timing is everything here. Did you know that booking off-peak season can save you a ton of money? Cruise lines usually offer the best deals during wave season, which runs from January to March. Also, keep an eye out for early bird specials and those last-minute deals. You can even subscribe to cruise newsletters for exclusive offers popping right into your inbox. It's like getting treasure delivered to you. Next up, compare cruise lines and itineraries. There are so many options out there, and using comparison websites can help you find the best bang for your travel dollars. Not all cruises are created equal, so check out reviews and ask for recommendations from experienced cruisers. Make sure you understand what's included in each package, like meals, activities, and more. Sometimes alternative itineraries can offer better deals and more unique experiences. Now let's talk about cabin selection. Do you really need that balcony or ocean view? Opting for an interior cabin or stateroom can save you a lot. You might miss out on the view, but you'll save a pretty penny. Also look for promotions on cabin upgrades closer to your departure date. Sometimes you can snag a great deal, and if you're cruising with friends or family, consider sharing a cabin in order to split cost. It's cozy and cost-effective. Taking advantage of onboard discounts and packages is another smart move. Purchasing drink packages or dining plans in advance can actually save you money and hassle later on. Some cruises offer kids sail free or family packages, so keep an eye out for those as well. Booking shore excursions through the cruise line can earn you credits or discounts, which is like more money in your pocket. And if you get onboard credit, use it wisely on spa services, specialty dining, or, well, souvenirs. Food and drinks can really add up quickly on a cruise, so be smart about your choices. Stick to the included dining options rather than shelling out for specialty restaurants. Some cruises let you bring your own beverages on board, just check the rules ahead of time. You can also fill up at the free food tasting events or buffets, and look for onboard happy hours and drink specials to enjoy more without spending extra. When it comes to shore excursions, planning your own can save you a bundle. Research and book independently to find better deals than those offered by the cruise ship. Local services and tour operators are often cheaper and just as good, sometimes even better. Check out travel blogs or forums to discover the best local sites and activities. Walking tours or using public transportation can be affordable ways to explore new ports. Finally, let's talk about reducing onboard additional cost. Internet packages can be pricey, so save by using free Wi-Fi in ports when available. Limit souvenir shopping. Instead, why not keep a travel journal to store those precious memories? Use the ship's free amenities like pools, gyms, and shows for entertainment, and steer clear of the casino or spa treatments unless you've budgeted for them. There you have it, friends, my best budgeting tips and tricks for saving money on your next cruise. Remember, it's all about making smart choices so you can enjoy a fantastic vacation without the financial stress. One of the best things you can do is work with a Gateway Travel Partner travel agent. They are going to really take the stress out of planning for you. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and share the video with fellow cruise lovers. Happy cruising, and see you next time!